2012 TC. The Scion TC is powered by a spirited engine with a completely responsive handling system. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, air conditioning, Bluetooth, cruise control, MP3 player, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, center console, cargo area light, tachometer, front reading lamps, engine immobilizer, tire pressure monitoring system, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.